What's up YouTube? Today I have a very simple mod, very cheap, inexpensive. This is a tray for your console over here, because if your console is like mine and doesn't have anything in it, you have all your crap just in here and it's very disorganized. So I found this on Amazon. It's $20. They have multiple styles of it. One of them has a coin holder, some have cutouts and stuff, but I like this one because it's simple. It also has like a kind of like a rubbery texture to it and everything, and it was only 20 bucks on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description for this one and then other ones too, so you guys can see which one's best for you to put in your console. So to install, it's very, very simple. So first, all you gotta do, take all your crap out, you know, knives, pens, GoPro mounts, whatever you have in here, coins, multi-tools, towel or wet wipes for when you fill up your vehicle with gas, GoPro mounts. I mean, so much crap just in here. So then all your big stuff, you know, that you don't typically use, just put down at the bottom. And then now for the install, all you do is that. Super simple. So put in your glasses, whatever you have, pens, knife, multi-tool, mounts, whatever you want, GoPro batteries, extra batteries that you have, just put them all in there. I mean, obviously make it a little better if you want. And then you're like, oh shit, I have some bigger things. Well, look, boom, super easy. Set those down there. Slides too, just a little bit, and then you still have room for if you put your cables down there for your phone. I like to charge my cables down there because it charges faster through that. And then just shuts. No snag or anything, just shuts right away. So then you can have all your stuff nice and organized in here. So yeah, only 20 bucks. It's definitely worth it. I mean, like I said, with a lot of stuff, it's something that should have came with the 4RUNNER, and it may for like a dealer option, but I spec'd mine with absolutely nothing. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll leave some of these down in the description for you guys to see which ones you guys like the best, and I hope you guys have a great day. Alright, thanks.